Hello there, this is John Diaz here again, driving along I-270, looking at the terrible shape that this highway is looking like at the moment. I've seen so many rusted sign holders, structures, lamp posts just all full of rust, and an incredible amount of litter all over. Everything lacking maintenance. Broken walls. Talking about job creation, you're looking at it here in America. Lack of total maintenance. Look at that bridge right there, it needs to be painted. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please subscribe.